Okay, I can hear the sound of a rushing water from a good block away. So I'm thinking that there's probably some kind of a waterfall. Just want to carefully get to it. Take my time. I don't see... Oh, what? There's a lot of activity over in the distance in the park. Probably some people who are admiring the park. I don't see anywhere you pay, that's what I was going to say. There's no clear spot. Let's see here, we got something to read. I can read it later, just a quick glimpse. Boom, boom. Okay, don't swim, drive, dive, rocks below. And they got it in Russian too. So I guess the Russian exodus, the exiles from Russia have also, they haven't focused just on wood burn. Oh, that's the rushing water. It just makes a lot of noise. It's not so much a waterfall as just really rushing water. Alright, sounds neat, looks nice. It looks man-made. They may have had a mill here at some point. They're saying don't swim in this? How is that hard to avoid? It looks like a lot of fun. So you got more rushing water, and this water moves. This is a fast-paced water, very similar to Silverton. And it's free. Not like Silver Falls, where you gotta pay the money, $5 to park. You can enjoy a free, there's a waterfall up ahead. You can enjoy a free waterfall without paying. I came here for the food bank. They got a few things. I bet that's man-made. It just doesn't, and it circles back. Look at that, it circles back. This one goes this way, whereas this one goes the other way. So it's definitely, this little one on my right has got to be man-made. How do they get it to circle back? That took some time. It must have been kind of fun to make though, playing around with it. Wow, quite a view from right here. Take this trail that's really quite beat up. I could fall off the edge right there. And come along to the very end. Yeah, I saw at Silver Falls you can like walk underneath one of the falls, but who really needs to do that? You can't swim here? That's crazy. People must swim here. There's a cave off to the left. But yeah, yeah, those rocks are piled in a way that it looks like it's man-made. Maybe Silver Falls is more natural. But either way, that moves fast. That's got some speed to it. And how it doubles back. So this doubles back into the waterfall. There's a Pabst Blue Ribbon can. So people like to leave evidence behind. Alcoholics love to leave evidence behind that they've been here. They're one of the most trashiest kind of people you know. Either the soda drinkers or the alcohol drinkers. They love to leave their trash. I bet that's a scientific study. So it's just this dirt trail that I got the impression another beer can that not many people take. Scott Mills doesn't even have a library. They probably don't even have a police force, because it only makes sense. If you're going to have a library, you're going to need a police force to protect it, to protect your items. They go hand in hand. Thieving enforcement. So that's a nice sound. I could sleep to that. Oh, my umbrella fell apart. Alright, yeah, even though I've seen beer cans, they're not allowed. They got rules. Alright, I don't think I saw these rules. It's a little more in depth. Marion County. And then you know, on top of all those rules, no alcohol. And then whatever's going on up here, it looks like they're building. They got a bathroom. I think they're building a children's playground. It looks like the beginnings of a playground. So you'd circle around in there. Oh, there's some kind of a gate. They control the flow of water right here for the old, whatever used to be here, some kind of a mill. Okay, I see. It'll loop back around. So they got this little gate. I wonder if they don't even allow you to swim in this either? You'd think this would be like a swimming area. I'd be like, oops, I accidentally fell in. So yeah, there's two gates that the manufacturers put together, and they controlled the water at one time, and then at some point they let it go. Trash cans upside down. Looks fairly deep. Looks like you can just walk across. It's not too slippery. So yeah, that's some kind of metal thing. I can't walk across that. I could walk down to those rocks. You could dip your feet in this, I suppose. Oh, there's a sign I guess I need to pay attention to. Yeah, they're making a children's playground. I wonder where they got the money. Some kind of donation thing. Swim, jump, and dive at your own risk. So you are allowed to swim here. And then they got it in Russian. Interesting. Alright. Yeah. Well, I'll just use the bathroom and head out then. Nice looking place. I guess this slide is brand new. I wonder if they're going to make a pavilion too. That should be required. They made a slide, but it's a little crooked.